Whenever you take a decision, the results coming out of the decision. Everything is trial and error. You decide some way, some fashion, you reap the results, then you change the decision the next time. We got infinite time. We have to change all the decisions, all the wrong decisions into right decision. It takes time. But experience makes you take right decisions always. Everybody's life, experience guides them from wrong decisions to right decisions. Your friends will say, बाद में पढ़ेंगे यार, अब तो खेलेंगे. No. When you have to study, you have to study. When you have to play, you can play. So, experience teaches you how to flow with the right decisions and how to move away from the wrong decisions. Everybody has got experience as guide. In due course, everybody will come to right decisions. Every thief, every murderer will come to right decisions. Because experience teaches them. Experience guides them. When you have a lot of meat, you got all the cancers in the body, and the doctors tell your cancers are there because you have taken all wrong food. So they'll stop eating wrong food. They don't want a cancer. Who wants a cancer?
Nobody.
When you are driving on the roads, you are speeding 150 kilometers, police will come and catch you. Next time when you are driving, say, oh, don't cross 100. So you are in the limits, because once or twice you have already been caught by the police. You paid the fines. So third time, you don't cross the 100. Why you are not crossing the 100? Because experience has taught. Already twice you have been to the police. You don't want to go to the third time to the police and pay another 1,000 rupees fine. So you control your speed. You drive within 100 km. So experience teaches you. In the beginning, first time, 150 you drive until the police van comes behind you. Stop. After a couple of times, experience teaches you, don't cross 100. So in life, experience teaches. Life teaches everybody what to do, what not to do, what is right, what is wrong. Life teaches you.